So first, before I go over on how to use PSS, it is important to first establish why we're using it. So why do we keep pushing PSS? So this communication system allows us one location for all the information that can be updated by multiple people at the same time and allow managers, such as the middle level managers, PMs, and REs, to be able to route that information quickly and consistently. And why can't we just use a spreadsheet like Excel? So the difference between Excel and PSS is PSS is created in what is called Access. This is a database centric Microsoft tool that allows you to do many more powerful things that are allowed as opposed to what Excel allows. So databases have more quality control, so you can control whether things are being duplicated or deleted, or restrict things from being deleted, such as like critical information. Databases can also simultaneously be viewed by different people and be updated at the same time, as opposed to Excel, where if somebody's opening a shared document, you can't make any changes until that person closes it. Also, different data sources can be combined or compared, so you can merge different sources of information into the project status system so that you can have many different things uploaded in one location, and it should save a lot of time. And this also limits the amount of double entry that is a problem with Excel. Last, the information can be exported to an Excel spreadsheet. So even if you prefer Excel, you can actually take the information that's in PSS and pretty much what's called a table dump and export it to Excel so that you can distribute it, review it, customize it to what you need. And there's many different other things that are allowed through Access that can be used to more efficiently gather information. Because that's why we're using PSS, to make it more efficient, our overall system more efficient, and save time. And what information is PSS trying to capture? So the project status information that's being captured are three things: the current schedule, so when it starts, when the project starts, when it'll be done, and any updates and how it's going to be changing. Second, current cost. There's fields in PSS that show the different costs of the projects, and the basic project information. So the title, the project number, the scope, the location. Those are all locations in PSS that are being updated. And lastly, you may ask, why do I have to look at and fill out so much information? So one, timeline is dependent on multiple factors. So many of these things are out of control of highways. So the many different things the PMs and REs have to do to manage the projects. There's a lot of different things, and that's just what it is. These factors or milestones add a huge amount of uncertainty to the timeline. So what PSS does is it allows a third party to look at the information that's being updated. So all this information that the PMs and REs are uploading, which is a lot, assists the upper managers to gauge the risk associated with a given project at any time. So even though it seems like a lot of tedious updates, it's actually helping the organization identify the risk with the project, see where more resources should be allocated, or see if a project is critical. And the other thing that this allows, all this information being there stored in a database, is it allows historical data, which allows the division to look at everything that's happening within highways to kind of gauge what processes need to be adjusted and see how we're doing. This also allows to predict on similar tasks, again, to balance resources for the different projects, and allows you, and another thing is it allows cross-reference of different information for different sources. So the federal information, the STIP information, the those different things can be tied in and referenced all in one spot. And we are constantly taking recommendations for improvements, and the contact is in this slide here.